First, place your Ninja blade system into your pitcher. Always remember to hold by the spindle. The blades are very sharp. Once placed, now you would add your ingredients. Next, to assemble your lock-in lid, align the arrow on the lid with the arrow on the handle. Then push down, making sure that it's on tightly, and using the handle, push the handle all the way down until you hear it lock into place. Now you're ready to attach your pitcher to your motor base. Make sure that the lid is properly assembled and on tightly. The unit will not work unless the lid is properly in place. Align the arrow on the lid with the arrow on the handle. This helps to make sure that it's secured properly. Next, to attach to the motor base, align the jar from diamond to square. You'll see icons on the motor base to make sure that you're aligned correctly. Turn the handle to lock the unit into place. Now you are ready to blend. When you're finished blending, let me show you how to remove the lid. Press the release button. You'll hear a click. Pull the handle all the way up and pull straight off.